Now, as you can see, we've pretty much got her all torn apart right now, and we're going to be putting her all back together again, of course. But we're replacing all the belts, we're replacing all the rubber on the bike, just because. And then we're going to do some fun projects like let's put a sight tube in. That's one thing that kind of annoys me about a lot of these motorcycles is they don't come with obvious oil. I mean, I really want to know when I'm out of oil. I don't know about you guys, but I'm sensitive that way. And look at that. Isn't that cool? So one way or the other, we're gonna have some projects going here. We've already done the adapter for going from a shorty S&S carb to a hypercharger. We're gonna install the new charging system from Cycle Electric products, which I can't recommend enough. They are the best ever made. But we've got plenty of future projects. We've even got a big old Springer coming for it, so you never know. If Sugar Bear's happy with us, we'll get a Springer before too long. And then we'll put this baby on there, and maybe we'll film that too. Anyway, please subscribe or like or whatever it is that makes people happy with us. And I'll just keep throwing junk like this at you.